What wanna get me opinionated peeps? So people, as you may already know by now, Buju Banton has recently won the Jamaica Festival Song Competition, and while many persons are congratulating Buju, there are still others who are, basically unhappy that Buju Banton won the competition. Not only won the competition, but some even unhappy and say, him should have never even entered in at the first place, because basically it's like him robbed the little man, the little trying artist opportunity by entering the competition. Right now, there was a message that was sent to me directly. I'm gonna read it off phone so that you get an understanding of what is going on. Alright, so the message says, I have to keep it real. This is why the music industry cannot get better. This is why the upcoming artists do what they do. These dinosaurs in music industry that do not want to give young talent a chance. Why would you rob from the sufferer? First of all, the song do not have any substance, and the only reason why it's because of his name. Do you really need $3 million? There was other artists that have a good song that you crush their dream because of greed. Do some of you sleep at night? That's why I will always respect Vybz Kartel. You just show these new talent that they do not stand a chance. And not to mention that woman that look like Jamaica broken economy. She is destroying reggae music. If she do not like you, even if you have a good song or a good artist, she do not support you in any form of way, is what the person sent me. Now, I'm assuming that by this woman, they are referring to Olivia Babsy Grange, right? Because she is the Minister of Roots and Culture, you understand what I say, and Entertainment. So I'm assuming that they are referring to Olivia Babsy Grange. Now, as me say, there are persons who are happy that Buju win the competition and congratulate him, but several persons are unhappy, and I'm speaking from one, this message that was sent to me, and the fact that I've seen it in comment sections all over the place. You understand? Now, I can definitely understand how the contestants who entered the competition would feel, right? If you know, say, well, they've entered this competition as an artist who don't have no name. But I will point out to you that Buju Banton is not the only established artist to enter this competition. Yeah, there was another established artist in the competition as well, right? It's just that Buju Banton was the one that came out the victor, right? But I can understand how the entertainers who entered the competition who didn't have a name or a status feel if you know say, well, Buju Banton win the competition when them go in there with no name. So basically them would have feel intimidated from the beginning, if you know say, yo, them a go up against Buju Banton. You understand what I say? So I can understand how them would have feel, right? But I don't know, do you think that people should really be bashing Buju because him win the competition? I mean, do you think that his name, do you think that his status, do you think that the fact that he is Buju Banton, an established artist, do you think that had any bearing on the fact that his song won, right? I've even seen in the comment section where persons are saying that the votes were rigged because persons across the world didn't get an opportunity to vote and all kind of stuff like that. But people talk to me in the comment section. Let me know. Your opinion always matters.
Boy, unstoppable you, unstoppable you.